Is it the right time to buy or sell Micron stock? Let's dive deep into Micron in this video, where we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 27, 2023, our system has ranked Micron as a strong buy candidate with a score of 8.28. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 30.21% since we first listed Micron as a buy candidate 39 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.77% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, the previous trend's broken level at $83.72 will now act as support, potentially offering a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $93.87, which might not be easily surpassed initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 21.13% change in the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 4.25% and 18.63%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 31.12% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 3.85% to 31.36%. This means the price could range from $88.77 to $112.29 after a year. Our latest update on Micron brings exciting news. On Thursday, the Micron stock price saw an impressive gain of 8.63%. The Micron stock price experienced a significant increase of 8.63% during the last trading day, Thursday, December 21, 2023. It rose from $78.69 to $85.48. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 3.5%, reaching a low of $83.11 and a high of $86.02. This marks the 8th rise in the past 10 days, resulting in a remarkable 16.06% increase over the course of the past 2 weeks. Notably, the volume of shares traded also increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, there were 27 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 54 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.60 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Micron stock reached $86.02, while the lowest price was $48.43. Currently, the price stands at $85.48, which is 0.63% or $0.540 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 13.17% or $12.97 below the all-time high reached on January 5, 2022, when the price soared to $98.45. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Micron Technology a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Needham also gave Micron Technology a buy grade with a hold action. Rosenblatt Securities joined in and gave Micron Technology a buy grade with a hold action as well. Mizuho Securities also gave Micron Technology a buy grade with a hold action on Thursday, December 21, 2023. Lastly, Evercore ISI gave Micron Technology an outperform grade with a hold action on the same day. Analysts have given Micron stock a generally positive rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong indicator to buy, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong buy rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Micron stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these signals confirms a general buy indication, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $81.61 and $76.63. However, if the stock drops below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. On Wednesday, December 20, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.63%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price further supports this positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator suggests a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 34 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 190 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Firstly, let's discuss support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at 2 price points, $78.69 and $76.12. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved because if this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Micron, if $78.69 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are $76.12 and $65.20. Moving on to the risk associated with this stock, it is important to note that Micron has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.91 between its high and low, which translates to a percentage movement of 3.5%. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 2.45%. Before we start discussing potential trading levels for Micron, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or they are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on March 26, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Micron. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above, indicating that the stock has the potential to move swiftly upward given the right conditions. This presents an opportunity for entering a position and using volume as a determining factor for when to exit. On the downside, Micron encounters its first support level at $78.69. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. The overall consensus rating for Micron, as per multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involved Mehrotra Sanjay, who purchased and sold a total of 178,000 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -9.670. In the past 100 trades, insiders bought a total of 674,374 shares and sold 806,929 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting a stop loss at $82.40, which represents a decrease of 3.6%. This stock tends to have moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we've identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 1 day ago. Is Micron stock a good buy? Micron is showing several positive signals and has recently broken its strong upward trend. With the stock also in great technical shape, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Friday, December 22nd, we expect Micron to open down by $0.610 and start trading at $84.87. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.